That's gonna be.
You'll check the function. It's a math attack. Adding up numbers, never looking back. Fractions, decimals, keeping it tight.
Go over these problems here. Question number 1. I notice I have the variable on the right side, and I notice that the variables here, I'm going to put in green. Okay, everyone say, don't do this. I've seen some students do something like this. They're like, well, I need to move the 2m, so they'll do the opposite, and they'll do something like this. Partner A, tell partner B why this is incorrect. Ready, set, go. This is incorrect because you're only doing opposites when you what? When you go across the equation sign, when you go across the river. Does that make sense? I just wanted to show you that because I've seen that multiple times. Okay, so I'm not going to subtract. I'm just adding these. 5 plus 2 is what? 7m, not m squared. Partner A, tell partner B, what do we do next? Class, what do we do next? We're going to? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I remember the old lady? We are solving, and we're going actually from the bottom to the top. So basically, we're doing the addition and subtractions first. And this chart actually tells you the opposites. So over here on the left side, I get 28. Over here, I get 7m. Class, what math operation do you have here?
Addition.
Right here?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. What's the opposite? Division. So we divide on both sides. That's what it means by equality. I get m equals 4. Raise your hand if you got m equals 4. I'll pause for 2 seconds, and then I'm going to go on to the next question. So on this side, on this question, there's no parentheses, so I don't have to do any distributing, and then combine like terms on the right side. All right, and this problem tells us to solve for x. Girls, what can I do first? I'm sorry, girl? Combine like terms. These are like terms. They both have a x there. For example, class, are these like terms?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're not just highlighters. They're both yellow, right? So I would say 2 yellow highlighters. Girls, what is 3x plus 4x? We just add the numbers in front. That becomes 7x plus 3 equals 9. Girls, what should we do next?
Subtract 3.
Girls, what's left? Yesterday, we learned that you can use PEMDAS backwards. So here, I'm first going to combine like terms. And then the adding and subtracting, the opposite of adding and subtracting on both sides. Girls, what should we do next? See, we're going up. Now, opposite of multiplication is division. And girls, the answer is negative 6. Raise your hand if you got that answer. If you had time on your next quiz or test, what could you do with that answer?
Check it.
You can check it. How do you check it?
You substitute the add.
We can substitute. Okay? We plug in electronics. All right. Uh-oh, boys. Let's rewrite this. How can you rewrite that, boys? Because we usually don't write plus parentheses in a math operation, right? How would you write that? 7x minus 2x plus, what's the number right here, boys? 1. Boys, if you combine like terms, what do you get? 2, negative 2, and a positive 1 will give you. What should I do here, boys? Opposite of multiplication is division. 6 divided by 6, boys, is 1. So really what you're doing here, the canceling, or you did canceling on the other side. Canceling in this case is a 1. This is a 1x. So we don't have to write the 1 there. So x is equal to 7. So in this problem, all you had to do was combine like terms and then solve for x.
All right, question number 2. I see parentheses, so I'm going to distribute to everything inside the parentheses. Distributing is multiplication, so I have negative 8, and I'm going to multiply that to the 2x. I'm going to multiply that to the negative 1. Do you see how I passed out the green candy? So negative times a positive is? And this becomes a negative 8. So negative 8 times a negative 1. Positive 8. Should I divide by 16 or subtract 8? Subtract 8, says PEMDAS backwards. That's 0. I get negative 16x. And this becomes what? 28. Should I add 16 or divide negative 16? Divide, because we have multiplication. Here you can use your factors. So 4 times 7. 16 is negative 4 times 4. And I'm going to cancel the 4's because 4 divided by 4 is 1. So our answer is going to be negative 7/4. Although the negative is on the denominator at the bottom there, I'm putting it in line with a fraction.
Let's go over number 2. Now, in this problem, in solving equations for the past couple of days, you might want to draw a line. Draw a line down your equal sign. And the reason why I do that is separates the left and the right side, and as they become a little bit more complicated, you can see the difference between the left and the right side. Class, yes or no? Are these like terms?
No.
Why are they not like terms?
It doesn't have an x except for the 2.
Oh, this one doesn't have an x. Are these like terms?
No.
No?
They're not.
No, the 2 doesn't have an x.
Are these like terms?
Yeah.
I thought it was 3.
Let's add the negative 3x and the 5x. Class, what do you get?
2.
Positive 2x. This minus 2 and there equals 12. Now we're trying to solve for x. Yesterday we learned how you can use PEMDAS backwards. So you're kind of like combining like terms, right? Here. Now, to move this across the line, you are doing opposites. What's the opposite of subtraction? Addition. So we add 2. And now I'm going to put the 2 here because these are like terms. These are called constants. Everyone say constants? Const is just a fancy math word to say it's just a number. This comes down. What do you get?
2.
In this case, canceling equals 0. Okay. To get rid of this one has what math operation?
Division.
And the opposite of multiplication is division. We're going backwards on PEMDAS. In this case, canceling equals 1 in this case. You're just left with the x equals 7. Raise your hand if you got x equals 7. We're not going to do it, but yesterday's lesson also was that if it does say check your answer, what do you do with the x equals 7? You put in for every x value. So in this problem, make sure to combine like terms. Here's a big idea. A big idea is that when you're combining like terms on one side of the equation, you're not doing opposites. When you're moving across the line, such as this -2, you are doing opposites.
Okay guys, I'm gonna give you guys free time to do your work. I've been trying to do my work, but I just can't seem to get this right. I see what you're doing wrong. You're not doing the operations the PEMDAS right. You keep dividing first and not multiplying first. Oh my gosh, I realize that now. Thank you. Thou shalt honor the correct order of operations. That's what Mr. Ang always says. Thank you.